So this week I am taking you on our bike adventure, and today we are biking to the Guadalhorce Nature Reserve. It's about 20 minutes away from Torremolinos by bike. We just rented bikes from this little shop along the beach. It was €5 for 4 hours, and so we're heading there now. And I haven't been on a bike in forever, so it's a little scary. Am I too slow? So we made it. And there's just trails all over this part. There should be little like viewing points too.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is bumpy. Cool species of birds present here. For the Guadalhorce River, it splits before it goes into the sea here, and so there's some beach areas down here, but this area is a nature reserve because there's a lot of bird species who live here. They stop off here when they're migrating. Based on my research, in the 60s and 70s, this was just an area used for excavation for building sites. And so they were digging up sand and gravel. They created these pits which later flooded, and so now we have these man-made lakes here. And then it became a protected area in like 1998, and so now it's allowed to go back to nature, and so it's just an important area for all these different animal and plant species. The species you will see present here, it depends on the time of year, so I don't know what we're going to see here today, but it's a nice area and it's away from the city. Although you can hear the airport, or you can hear the planes here. And there's like houses around here, so it's not too secluded. We'll just be biking around and check out the lakes here. Little scary. I'm just not skilled enough to be like riding a bike and doing something else as I'm riding the bike. Alright, so should we just go across the bridge then?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
You see it's on the other side.
Yeah, it looks like there isn't a loop, but we can just go straight and go right to the sea,
yeah,
and then just come back and go on the other path. Found this little observation post. I think we'll eat lunch in here. Cool. This is our lunch. I made this last night. Just brown rice and then grapes. Yeah, this is my first vlog with my new camera, so pretty cool. You can hear them.
Mm-hmm.
I figured you did. Whoa. So they're eating the plant?
Yeah.
Crazy. So yeah, I think that's us for today. And yeah, we're gonna head back to Torremolinos and then we'll have a little bit longer with the bikes and we'll drop them off. This was a nice park just because it's so quiet here. I'll put information on where we rented the bikes from in the video description. Yeah, this would be a nice little day activity from Torremolinos or Malaga. But thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I do new videos every Wednesday, so I will see you next week. Thanks. Did you like riding bikes today?
I did.